The recipe is on the description box below.